Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we visit the Mandeville Art Fair in Manchester, where artists are not only showcasing their talents, but they're also raising funds for charity. Kian Morgan has the details.
Art transcending canvases, paint and brushes. It's the like-mindedness shared among these artists and those who appreciate art, as they gathered at the Mandeville Art Fair in Manchester recently. Considered the largest art fair in the Caribbean. Sponsorship coordinator Marcia Tai Shong says the event was initiated 30 years ago.
We're very happy to provide that kind of event that also celebrates art and showcases young up-and-coming artists. Because in fact, one of the features of our art fair is an award of a scholarship to a student at Edna Manley every year.
Davon Chung, who is responsible for collecting art pieces for the function, says this year's turnout is the biggest.
The first art fair, we had under 50 pieces of art, and now we have over 400 original works.
In addition to raising funds for charity, the 3-day fair was open to students who wanted to explore and learn more about art. Well-renowned artist Bonnie Hewitt assisted in that area.
Saying to them how to go to work and how they can get themselves involved, not only with just this exhibition, but use this as a vehicle to branch off in other exhibitions.
I think it will go a long way in having some of them find a space to be creative and fulfilling. I mean, it's fulfilling for them. I've seen so many of them who get into art, and it's a sort of inner peace. It's a way they express themselves.
Most artists are the ones that are the ones that are innovators. I mean, it's not just painting and sculpting. I mean, people who are innovators are the ones who spur the economy along. They're the ones that come up with the ideas that make the economy grow. So it's very important to keep the artist's spirit alive.
And artists visiting from the U.S., Denise Henley, who donated a few pieces to the fair, is encouraging others to continue using art as a means of expression.
Art is so important to our lives. We can't really live without art. I will encourage all the young people, especially if you have a passion for it, answer the call.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.